back to another video. Today we are doing the sneeze challenge. Whoever sneezes first wins. So on your mark, get set, go. Achoo. Okay, guys, we can do anything. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back, okay? I'm just hiding from him. I'll be right back. I'm hiding from him. Guys, I'm back. Ready for this? This doesn't work. I don't know it will. Got a bunch of pepper. Behold! No way you won! I just told you my last name and my first name. I'm so dumb. No, I mean Leia would. My last name is Wood. What is wrong with me? Yeah, right. I feel it coming. I want to try something. Just. Wait, it's coming. No, I need to tell you something. Ridiculous. Guys. I need to go get something. She's gonna go get some pepper. Don't worry. Mommy. Guys, she doesn't know that you're supposed to put it in your nose. She thinks that you're supposed to eat it. Oh wait, no. Just wait, okay? It will happen, I promise. Okay, guys. I won. Malaya! I just sneezed twice. Okay, guys, so I won that challenge. So that was an awkward challenge. I'm pretty sure nobody's ever done that before. I just sneezed 3 times. I pulled out some of the cat's fur, but it didn't work. What? I pulled out some of Bootsie's fur. Why? Why she was sleeping. Why? Because. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna replay the video so she can see what just happened. So, anyways, another 1 point. It's. It's 6-6. Oh, I just sneezed. Peace. I sneezed.